So we have a power circuit here, just your medicine ball and also your own body weight. So remember, as it's power, we're looking for fast movements. So we want a nice long recovery in between each movement. You'll see as we go along, we're not looking to really push our fitness and bang from one exercise to the next. It's all about the quality of the power with each movement. So our first one with the ball is an overhead throw. So we're going to be in a nice squat position and throw up. Yep, so we're just throwing that ball up as high as we can. So first one first, so I'll just show you it. Ready? So we go for 6 throws in total. So squat down and throw, jump up. Good. Allow the ball to bounce, don't attempt to catch it. And again, so we want nice straight arms, squat down and throw. Nice big high. Good. So all the power for this comes from our hips. So if we go for the third throw, we squat back and jump. So as usual, nice squat position coming down, hips back, throw. Good. 2 more to go. Always resetting in between each one, squat down and throw. So again, a really big throw. We want to get as much power as we can. Last one for this first round. Down, squat and throw. Good work. So just while we're taking a rest for the next movement, you don't have to get the jump in there. So literally, as long as you, when you come up, as long as you pop the hips and just come up onto your toes, that's enough to generate power for the body. The throw doesn't, the height of the throw doesn't come from the arms, it comes from the hip drive. So just remember that for the next movement as well, which is a squat and push up in the air. So we're going to hold the medicine ball kind of collarbone height, chest height, squat down, and now push. So now we are relying a bit more on the shoulders, but we want that hip drive to really push it up. So reset, squat down and drive, push. Good, that's 2. Always want to reset our posture in between. Down, push. Excellent. 3 down. Get ourselves set again. Down, push. Good, we've got 2 more of these. I'll show you from the side. Hips back, down, push. 1 more to go for this first round of these. Down, push. Excellent. Well done. So we just take a little breather there. The next exercise is a rolling hop, like all rolling hops. So we're just going to jump on 2 legs all the way across and then all the way back. The key to this is the rhythmic movement. We want to bounce from one jump into the next. That's the key. So we're not looking for too much height. We're just looking for nice control of the body. So start it here, and I'm going to go across. You can do this just bouncing on the floor if you haven't got enough space. Ready, and we just roll. See that bouncing movement I've got there? And again. Good, if you've got a longer space, go for it. I'm going to go back again. Roll it. Nice continuous movements. Then into the next one. Last one. So I've got about 5 meters there, so I've gone 20 meters. Anything between 10 and 20 meters is good. The other thing you can do is just bounce it on the spot. Yep, which I'll do on the next round, so it's up to you which one you want to go for. So let's go into the 3rd round now. So what I'm going to do on this round, I'm just going to demonstrate if you've got more power, you feel comfortable with the jump and the landing, you can really go for it. So I'm going to really fling my arms in the air for this one. So 2nd round, ready, squat down and jump. Allow it to bounce. That's 1 of the 6. Down, jump. Always want that nice squat position at the bottom. Down, jump. Good work. 3 of the 6. From the front. Down, jump. Good. If you feel it's coming towards your head, just step backwards. Keep yourself safe. Next one, jump. And we've got 1 more for this set. Down, jump again. Nice work, well done. Short little break. This way I'll talk about we want the maximum time in between the movements here. So if you need to take a bit longer, if you feel a bit out of breath, take a bit more time. We want that nice powerful movement. We can't increase our power or improve our power output if we're in a fatigue state. So this is where it's quite key of the rest periods and everything. So now coming to the second round of the squat and push. Again, bigger jump if you're feeling good. So I'm going to go for it this one. Squat down and push. Always a nice soft landing each time. Control that landing. Squat, push. 2 down, take your time picking the ball up. Remember, hips back, knees out as we squat down, and push. 3 more. Set the core, down, push. Move back if it's heading towards your head. 2 more for this round. Squat, push. Last one. Let's get lots of power here. Push the hips back. Down, push. Good work. Next up, we've got the rolling hops. I'm going to do these on the spot just in case we are doing it in a confined space at home. Means we don't have to travel too fast. So I'm going to go for literally probably about 10 seconds worth. That was probably that would be the amount of time it takes me to do 10-20 meters, I reckon. So you just go at your own pace. Ready? Let's go. So if you just notice, I'm not looking to go too deep, but as soon as I hit the ground, I absorb the landing and then return it straight back up. We're into the last few now. I keep pushing my hips out and my knees are going out all the time as well. The last couple. Well done. Nice continuous jumps there. Get that nice recovery. And we're going for 1 more round. Take your time. I'll just let my legs recover. I can just feel them working quite hard there. So we've got a last round, again, six repetitions of each one. Underhand throw to begin with. Last round, so let's really get some height on this one. So ready, let's squat down and jump. That's 1. Collect that ball. Lots of power now, drive the hips, jump. 2. Down, jump. 3 down. We know what we've got to do now. Push the hips back, knees out. 4. Keep everything nice and tight, especially the core. Prepare for the punch. Keep that core tight. 5. 1 more for this. 6. Well done. Take that break there. That's those ones done. Get that recovery. I just like to take a little walk in between. Just helps the blood flow going in the legs still for me. So, back into our squat and push up. Think about the squat position. Shoulders back, chest up, ready, and jump. Nice and high. That's 1. Reset ourselves. Down, up. 2. Down, pop. 3 down. Down, up. That's 4. We've got 2 more to go of these. Keep going, guys. Down, pop it up. Good work. You're doing well. We're almost there for this one. Down and up. Brilliant. So we're coming up to the last exercise, the jumps. I'm going to go back into the traveling version. So remember, just nice rolling hops. Again, you go for whichever ones you want to go for. I'm going to go 4 lengths and let's go. So just roll it forward, and then back again. Nice continuous jumps. There and back one more time. Last one for this round. Well done, everyone. So that's your power section done. Done really well there. Keep up the great work. You're all working hard.